The tutorial you are watching is part of Python Fundamentals, probably the best Python beginner course on the internet.
Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to do brute force Caesar Cypher decryption. As you might have surmised, there are only 26 possible encrypted outputs of a Caesar Cypher. So there's only 26 possible messages. In the end, it's probably the easiest thing you can do to print out all the 26 solutions, and one of them will stand out clearly as English. So to run this test, we need to give this thing a message that it can encrypt. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to Wikipedia and I will paste an article, something like this. And what we're going to do is try to encrypt that. And there it is. And then we're going to try to break that code with all the 26 possible solutions. So the way that's done is, as you can imagine, the shift is now irrelevant. We're going to use 26 shifts. And this part where we print the ciphertext, this is where we encrypt the message. This is going to get done 26 times for shift in range 1, 26, because one of the solutions is actually the message itself. So that really ought to work. So let's give that a try. I'm going to copy this message and I will put it as an input for this program. Shift is not defined. Right. So I think that the dictionary creation has to happen 26 times as well. So what we do is we shift that there, and given that the ciphertext needs to be created as well as the dictionary 26 times, that's going in that loop as well. So right now, let's have a think. For each shift from 1 to 26, actually the upper number doesn't count. So from 1 to 25, we're going to create a dictionary and we're going to create a ciphertext. We're going to create that shifted dictionary and we're going to print a shifted message. We're going to do this 26 times. If this works, we should be able Control C, we should be able to see one of these gobbledygook things clearly stand out because it's in English. Oh, right. The yellow hammer is Eurasian bird in the bunting family has been introduced. So there you have it. These are all of the solutions. And if you just scroll down, I think the English one is just going to pop out. Boom. Right there. So that is the easiest way to break through Caesar Cypher. In the next video, however, we are going to do an intelligent way, which is only going to return one single solution. So for that, I guess we can have one of these inputs and just use the same text, but with a different shift. A shift we don't know. So maybe we'll take something like that. Okay, see you in the next video. Well, that was fun. To make sure you don't miss out on all the fun, just subscribe right here. To continue along with the playlist, Python Fundamentals, click there. And to see a whole host of other Python videos, about there. That's all for now. See you later.